How to add a payment method on Google Sites. I'm going to show you how you can easily add payment methods on Google Sites. First, navigate to the Google Sites website on your web browser. Next, select the given templates to start the new site. On the right side, go to the Page section and click Services to open that page. Now, go to the Insert section on the right side menu. Here, find and click the Forms option by scrolling down. Click the Untitled form to start, or you can go to the New tab. Search for the Google Forms website and visit the first link. Now, start a new form and enter all the required questions. After completing the form, click the Send button on the top bar. Go to the Attached Link section and copy the given link. Then, open the Google Sites website to paste this link. Click the Embed button on the right side. Paste the link of the form and then insert the preview of that page. Next, search for any checkout form and copy its link. Now, go to Embed Code and paste the link here. After that, you can now see that form on your site and it is ready to publish. You can preview your site to view how it looks.